In the heart of a vast, star-studded expanse, she sat, a beacon of curiosity among celestial bodies. Her fingers danced over a keyboard, unlocking secrets hidden within the cosmic hum. The universe's whispers began to coalesce, revealing a map-like pattern hidden in the static. The pattern, like a recurring dream, repeated across the cosmos, hinting at a hidden order. As she compared it to known cosmic structures, her brow furrowed in puzzlement. The pattern, once a distant whisper, now painted across the earth, challenging everything they knew.